We got Ultimate FX Tools trading indicators here using the Ultimate Signal Indicator, Ultimate Stoch Oscillator, and the Ultimate Trend Indicator. This indicators will clearly get the right thing on when your next trading position to be traded. What we have here is the Ultimate Signal will alert you when there's possible trend reversal based on its algorithm coded to it. We restarted our Metatrader 4 recently and tested for actual signals. We got an alert, USD JPY a sell alert confirmation. Let's check its actual pocket option USD JPY currency pair, and as we noticed that it got a long trend going up, and the best spot here to trade going down. We also check its current Metatrader 4 USD JPY chart, and we got a down arrow here. That's where our signal alerted. Then our Ultimate Stoch Oscillator is at the higher position or at the maximum resistance level. And also for the Ultimate Trend Indicator, which creates a green bar and the best signal going down, we got another trading alert, GBP USD a buy alert signal. We will check if this asset got high winning return. And it got 86% in return. Let's check its actual chart. And got a good reversal spot going up. You can favorite some important currencies, just make sure to trade 75% and above to maximize trading profit. As we can see, we lose on our USD JPY trade, but we got another alert on it going down. We will use martingale method, or we will double our previous trade to retrieve our loss. Got good result on our GBP USD and hoping for our USD JPY trade to get a win. And got both winning trade on that. Let us wait with another alert coming from our Metatrader 4. By the way, you can find the link below in the description on how to install, download, and set up the Metatrader 4 chart, as well as detailed instruction video on installation. We used 5 seconds pocket option chart. We got AUD USD a sell alert confirmation. Let's check its pocket option chart. And as we can see, the latest pattern is on a massive uptrend, leading us to got the best signal from Ultimate Signal Indicator. Let's not hesitate and let's trade directly going down on it. AUD CAD got also sell signal, but it's on low return. But let's try to trade for it since we already got positive trading results on this day trading session. Got our win on AUD USD, and AUD CAD also got a winning trade. You can also clear the Metatrader 4 active currencies, which gives less ROI or return. Euro GBP a sell alert confirmation. Let's search its currency, but it only got 73%. I suggest not to trade with it, but as for our demonstration, we will take and trade with it going down. See the rest of the video and follow us to get latest trading strategies with Ultimate FX Tools trading with Pocket Option and other trading brokers. Download the indicator now at ultimatefxtools.com. Not only this indicators, but also the whole Ultimate FX Tools strategies and videos, which is part of the package.